Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to claim promo code in BoatFood app. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your BoatFood web application or your BoatFood mobile application. How do you create an account on BoatFood? Launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type BoatFood.com. That's going to take you to the official website for BoatFood. So once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in BoatFood. Now, BoatFood does not support deliveries within my country. That's why this homepage looks bare. But if it does in your country, you're going to find this homepage filled with a wide array of restaurants with a lot of activities going on. Same applied to your mobile phone. Now, let's hop into today's task, which is how to claim promo code in BoatFood app. So from your mobile phone, head over to the home page and check the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to find the profile icon. So click on the profile icon and it's going to take you to the next window. For the web app, head over here to the top left corner and click on profile and it's going to take you to this window. So you're going to find exactly these options in the mobile phone when your mobile app, when you click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So from both ends, go ahead and click on promo code. Now in here, you can enter your promo code and click on apply. And once you click on apply, that's it. You'll be able to claim your promo code in BoatFood app and you'll be able to use your promo code for your orders. So how do you get BoatFood promo code or the discount code? Now, it is so simple, all right? All you need to do is to head over to the BoatFood page and browse the range of discounts available. You're going to find it just littered on the screen. Having done this, just simply copy a code that you like directly into your computer or your mobile phone. And now that the code has been copied, go ahead and paste the code directly into the promotion area of the checkout. Now, this has been posted. Your new calendar total should be down. Now, double check the calculation and that it's all correct. Now, if correct, go ahead and enter / confirm your payment details. Saving your money across food and more has never been so simple. So be sure to grab a whole host of deals and more with BoatFood. So how do you find the BoatFood discount code? There is no specific area on the app or website which shows discount codes, but they are more generally scattered across, gathered across the site. So just take a look across the site to browse for a selection of different offer codes. There are so many different offers available that are constantly being added. So make sure that you keep checking back to the app to find all the latest promotions plus more today. Get offers across delivery, discounts at different food chains. There's a whole lot more with BoatFood. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.